Are you ready to make 2025 your best year yet? Success doesn't happen by accident, it happens by design. With the right roadmap, you can set clear goals, focus your efforts, and achieve results that propel your business forward. Hi, I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to creating your 2025 business roadmap. Whether you're aiming for growth, stability, or a fresh start, this plan will help you make it happen. And don't miss this, I've created a free downloadable workbook to help you map out your goals and track your progress. So stick around to the end and I will tell you how to grab your copy today. Before we plan ahead, we need to look back. A thorough year-end review helps you identify what worked, what didn't, and where you want to improve. Here's how to get started. Analyze your strengths and weaknesses. Review your key performance metrics, your financial results, and customer feedback. What are your biggest wins? Where did you struggle? Next, assess team and operations. Look at your team's performance and the efficiency of your processes. Are there gaps that need to be addressed? Next, celebrate wins and don't skip this step. Acknowledging your achievements builds momentum for the year ahead. This reflection sets the foundation for a strong 2025 strategy because remember, you can't grow what you don't measure. Once you've reviewed the past year, it's time to plan for the year ahead. Start by setting clear annual goals, then break them down into manageable quarterly action plans. So first, set some SMART goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, focus on key areas. Choose 3 to 5 key areas to prioritize, whether it's revenue growth, team development, or operational improvements. Stay focused on what matters most. Now, break those goals into quarterly milestones. Quarterly goals keep you on track without feeling overwhelming. They provide short-term wins that build towards your annual objectives. Now we need to assign ownership. Make sure that every goal has an owner. Clear accountability is essential for follow-through. Even the best plans need tracking systems to stay on course. So here are some tools and strategies to help keep you aligned with your goals. For project management tools, use tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com to organize your tasks and deadlines. You can use weekly check-ins. Schedule regular check-ins with your team to review, adjust, and address any challenges. The 2025 Business Roadmap Workbook. This free resource includes templates for annual reviews, quarterly goal setting, and progress tracking. It's designed to help you stay focused and organized throughout the year. Tracking isn't about micromanaging. It's about staying aligned with your vision and making adjustments as needed. Now, it's your turn to take action. So download my free 2025 Business Roadmap Workbook to get started on your strategic plan today. Inside, you'll find everything you need to conduct a year-end review, set quarterly goals, and track your progress throughout the year. Visit radstrategic.com to grab your copy now. I'll put a link in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me today. Strategic planning is the key to achieving radical success in 2025 and beyond. Take the time to map out your roadmap and you'll set yourself up for a year of focus, growth, and incredible results. Hi, I'm Angie Dobransky, and I'll see you next time with more tips to help you thrive in 2025.